Good morning, John Gilkison here. Just want to do this quick video on replacing this outlet here. The breaker has been turned off and I want to install this new outlet, which is screwless. It doesn't have any side screws or anything. What it has is these tabs right here and these holes in back where you just install the leads, and there's a guide on it right here on the side that tells you how long to cut the wire, the exposed wire, so that it fits in the back without any exposed conductor. And well, let's do this because I gotta go through all this work, which I'm not used to doing on camera. So anyway, all we have here is a hot, a neutral, and a ground. And the hot is on the bottom, neutral's on the top on this outlet. So I'm just going to repeat that. Now, the thing about getting this done is you have to, because these wires are curled around these screws, sometimes they're hard to get out. Then you have to straighten out the conductor. See what I mean, but hard to get out. So I could cut and strip all new ones, but I don't see the need for that. I've already done this on a switch and it worked fine. So all I'm doing is straightening out this C that's been curved into the conductor, because it no longer needs to wrap around any kind of a screw. If it ain't broke, why fix it, right? So, now what you have here, as I said, is you have a guide on here that's going to tell me how long to cut these. And it's not rocket science. Could eyeball the other one. Might as well shorten this one just for grins, simply because the other two got shortened. So I've already opened the proper tabs, so that's all you do. You just stick this all the way in, close the tab. Stick it all the way in. Close the tab. So there you have it. Good, we're only 6 minutes in. I got a light here I can plug in. I'm going to have to leave the room to throw the breaker. Probably got brighter in here. This is the light that's plugged in right here. The light on the other side of the room came on also because those outlets are on the same breaker. So there you have it. I was attracted to try these new outlets out. They're called, it's a company called Levetron, and the brand name is Edge, Levetron Edge. And I had to order them from Home Depot. I went to the local Home Depot and they tried to tell me they didn't have them, didn't know when they'd get them or anything else. And I went online, and the store in El Paso had over 900 of them. So I just ordered them. I'm going to have to go talk to them down there at the local Home Depot. They need to get them in. But you could see, not having to twist all these conductors into a letter C and attach them to the side of a outlet like this, and screw them in. They can come loose inside the wall. Things could touch other things. This is a safer application. And I've used these push-in things before on tombstones on fluorescent lights, and I hated them because you can't get them out. But with these tabs to lock them into place and unlock them, it's a piece of cake. So I'm going to be replacing quite a few fixtures and outlets, and here's my light switch up here. Oh, you can see it up on the wall. I hope. Anyway, oddly enough, the most expensive part of that light switch was less than $4, and the damn cover plate's $4. So it's more expensive to replace the cover plates than it is the switch itself. But anyway, that's my little foray into electrical work this week. I'm not an electrician, so by all means, if you don't feel confident to do any of this stuff, get an electrician, or watch some videos shot by a real electrician. Anyway, this worked for me this morning, as you can see, so I'm gonna let it go at that. Like I say, I'm not an electrician. I just slept at a Holiday Inn, right? So take care, be safe, everybody. Bye bye.